If you want to show your country on your account information in X.com, also known as Twitter, this quick guide will walk you through the exact steps. This is useful if you want your account details to be more complete and visible in the right place. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this one. Now let's go ahead and do it. First, open X.com and make sure you're signed into the account you want to update. On the left-hand side navigation bar, click on More. This opens up the Extra Settings menu where you can access account options that are not shown in the main sidebar. From there, click Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps the controls for your account, privacy, and personal information. Once the settings page opens, click Privacy and Safety. This section contains many of the options related to how your account behaves and what information is connected to it. Next, look for and click About Your Account. This is the area where you can review account details and region-related settings. Here, you should see an option called Use Country. Simply toggle Use Country on. Turning this on will enable your country to be shown in your account information. Take a moment to make sure the switch is activated properly, and that's really all there is to it. It only takes a few clicks, but it can be easy to miss if you do not know where the setting is located. If this tutorial saved you time, please hit like and subscribe so you do not miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.